Spring Cleaning, written by Russ Booyock, illustrated by Andy Elkerton. Focus question: what does the family clean in the spring? It was spring. It was time to clean the house. Mom cleaned the kitchen. Dad cleaned the living room. Sasha cleaned the bedrooms. Mom cleaned the bathroom. Dad cleaned the basement. Sasha cleaned the porch. Sasha left the front door open. Now they have to clean everything again. Connections: writing and art. What do you clean at home? Draw a picture and write about it. Science: what are the 4 seasons? Which one comes before spring? Share your ideas with a partner.